that in the forecast in the coming days.
That's right, but we do have some active weather heading our way this weekend. Today, though, quiet conditions outside. In fact, so quiet that we're seeing a few spots of a little bit of fog that have developed through the overnight hours. Very patchy, but a little bit to the east, Gilmer, Fannin counties, even into Cherokee County, and some right along the Tennessee, Alabama line, from Jackson County up into Franklin County. That's about it. For most, visibility is great. And when we're looking at our cloud cover, we have partly cloudy skies right now. So we do have these clouds kind of streaming in from the southwest to the northeast. And that's going to be the story throughout the day today. So that mix of blue skies, sunshine, and those clouds as well. A partly sunny day ahead, but really no activity falling from that cloud cover. All the rain, the precipitation is going to be staying just to the south and east of us, where this frontal boundary is basically going to stall out. So rain on either side of that. Of course, we're talking about the activity for this weekend. What's going to happen from that? Well, you can see this low pressure system at the border of Texas and Louisiana. That's going to swing down a little bit further to the south and get cut off, combined with this stationary front, and then lift up from the south to the north into our area this weekend. So let's time that out with Futurecast. Again, quiet conditions for the day today, partly sunny skies overall. Some areas that may see a little bit greater cloud cover are going to be our far southeastern communities, but again, that rainfall really staying from Atlanta to Greenville in South Carolina, so outside of our area. Enjoy your Friday. It will be slightly cooler today compared to yesterday and earlier this week, but still above normal. Highs from about 55 to 60 across the area. Now, as we look ahead to this evening, Friday night out, plans are going to be good to go for that. That wind picking up from the north at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and clouds will be on the increase, so becoming mostly cloudy overnight. There is a small chance early on Saturday morning you could see a light shower pass across our area, but that's really the only activity on Saturday. And look, this is before sunrise, so Saturday morning time is mainly going to be your best bet for doing something outside if you need to, because notice as we head towards Saturday afternoon, rain lifting up from the south. This is about 3:45. That rain heavier for our Alabama and Georgia communities, light rainfall extending into Tennessee and North Carolina. That's going to increase and become even more widespread as we head into your Saturday evening. So Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, especially needing to have those raincoats handy. Where it gets real interesting, well, that's going to be Saturday night into Sunday morning. As we have that upper level low, there's going to be colder air above us than below, and we have the potential for what we call some dynamic cooling, and that changeover from rain early on Sunday morning to some of the higher elevation snow and wintry mix. You're beginning to see some of those pink and blue colors to the east, also to the west along the Cumberland Plateau, extending even further to the south. This is about 9:30 on Sunday morning with that activity still ongoing. Mainly rain in our valley spots, but I wouldn't completely rule out even seeing some wintry mix or snowflakes for some of our valley spots. By 2 p.m. we're beginning to see some of that moisture wrapping up. I think most of the precipitation is going to be out of here by about 3 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. So total rainfall for Saturday and Sunday, a ½ inch to 1.5 inches. The snow, we're getting better agreement that we'll see some snow in the higher elevations. Those exact snow totals still certainly fluctuating. And then those valley spots, those impacts, we're still going to be eyeing that. This is a potential snow scenario number 1. This is just model output. This is our European model. You can see a lot of that snow pushing across our area. What about number 2? Well, that number 2 still has a lot of that snow to the east. The number 3 scenario, which I think is looking the best, this is actually our in-house model, and you're seeing that potential for lookout sand mountains up the plateau and then along the Tennessee, North Carolina, and Georgia lines. And those higher elevations, limited activity for the valley spots, because temperatures, as far as snow coming down, you may see it, but sticking and developing, not so much on the ground, because temperature is just too warm for that. As far as today goes, well, we're starting off the day cooler temperatures outside, 43 in Chattanooga, 39 in Cleveland, 37 in Dayton and in Athens compared to this time yesterday. And as we go through the day today, it's really going to be pretty pleasant. So again, partly sunny skies overall, wind from the north at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, hitting 45 degrees at 9 a.m., 56 at 1 o'clock, 59 at 3 p.m. It's going to be a nice Friday ahead, generally highs from about 55 to 60. Pleasant conditions for your Friday. And then tonight, 41 degrees, increasing clouds. It's going to be a little bit breezy outside tonight, but all eyes kind of drawn to the weekend. So again, drier the first part of the day on Saturday, rain moving up from the south Saturday afternoon, especially into the evening time, and then Saturday night into Sunday morning. That's when we have that mixed bag. The rain in the valley, a little bit of wintry mix, the higher elevation snow. But notice that high on Sunday, 48 degrees. So any snow that does fall, we're still going to be seeing it melting for Sunday afternoon.